In this video, you will learn how you can easily create ebook covers like this, or this. After this video, you will forget the long hours spent in Canva trying to figure out the perfect book cover. Why? Because there's a much easier way to create ebook covers, and for that we will use some strategic prompts along with one of the best AI image generators called Ideogram. Not only Ideogram generates high-quality, well-rendered graphics, but it also deals quite well with the text, unlike other AI image generators I've tried. So hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's generate real book covers with AI. Before we start, I quickly want to offer you some free value. In case you don't have an ebook ready and you don't want to write it from scratch, you may want to consider PLR Ebooks and the website called PLR Me. These guys provide plenty of professionally written, done-for-you ebooks in hundreds of topics. Those are high-quality ebooks, nicely designed and well-formatted. As you can see here, you can freely customize them to fit your brand, resell them, or give them away for free. The best part, I have a special link in my description which will give you 10 free PLR Me credits, which you can use to download an ebook like that for free. All you have to do is to adjust the pricing slider here to 10 credits and download a free ebook in your favorite topic. And if you want tutorials on how you can easily rebrand these ebooks or create them with AI from scratch, I will leave the links to these tutorials as well in the video description, so make sure to check them out. Now, every fantastic AI book cover starts with the right prompt. For that, I have prepared a detailed prompt which we'll put into ChatGPT and later on into Ideogram to generate actual cover. I will leave a link to this prompt in the description so you can access it and use it. So this prompt allows you to input your ebook's title, choose from several cover styling options, then provide a subtitle if you have any, along with the author name, and you have additional customization options that you can play around. So let's have a look what this prompt says. Your task is to generate a detailed and structured prompt for an AI image generator to create a high quality ebook cover image for a digital book called, so I'll input my book's title. This is it, Profit Without Pressure. Make sure this title is bold, centered, and highly visible. Then I say the AI generated cover design must only include the title, subtitle, and the author name. Do not include any other text, icons, or decorative labels on the image. So yeah, quite often you will find that AI image generators like to add the text on the image, which we don't ask to be added. For that, I just give a clear instruction to stay away from any additional text apart from title, subtitle, and the author name. Next, here you can choose from the styling options available. We have styles like minimal and modern, futuristic tech, classic print wipe, bold and artistic, soft and natural, and business professional. So here you can choose the style you want for your ebook cover. Then I instruct my main title to be bold, large, and centered. And as for the subtitle, this is optional. I'm going to use this subtitle, designing a business that feels as good as it pays. And I ask AI to make it smaller and lighter font than the title, and to be positioned just above or below the title depending on the composition. And lastly, the author name, I'm going to input my own name. And I'm asking AI to make it smaller font size than the subtitle and position it at the bottom, center, or right. And you have the additional customization options. Include one or more depending on style, abstract shapes, book or writing related icon, silhouettes, nature or urban scenery, subtly blurred in the background, relevant object close-up, and suggested background style, gradient, textured, or photo-based background based on a selected theme. Examples: gradient blues or grays for business, warm pastels for self-help, and dark backgrounds with neon or futuristic topics. So you can customize these settings depending on what you want, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave those as is, and I will generate ebook covers for each of these styles here. For that, I go to ChatGPT and I say, take this prompt and turn it into different variations for each ebook style. Make sure there's no other text apart from title, subtitle, and the author name. Then I go to this prompt, I'll copy it, paste into ChatGPT, and run. Now that we have these prompts generated, we come to Ideogram, and again, this is in my opinion a really good image generator. In fact, I managed to accumulate over 2.5 million monthly impressions on Pinterest while using Ideogram images alone, so that's really good. And as I said, this image generator deals quite well with the text on the images. I'm using the Pro plan, but you can also use its free version. With a free plan, you can get 10 free image generations per week, and that I think will be enough for you to generate a perfect book cover. So to generate an image, firstly we need to copy our first prompt, paste into Ideogram, And before that, we should choose appropriate size for our ebook cover. Here you should do a quick research on what ratio your ebook cover should be, as it can vary depending on your purpose. For example, if you want to publish an ebook on Amazon KDP, you should use 1:1.6 ratio. If you're creating covers for Pinterest, mockups, or general promotion, a 4:5 ratio works great. The best universal ratio which works for most cases is 4:5, so I'm going to use that. Inside a diagram, you can also input a custom ratio and custom dimensions if you need a different format. Mine is set perfectly fine, and I'm going to go and generate. So I'm gonna do the same for each of these prompts. So our covers have been generated. I actually did more than 6 variations just to show you guys more results. We now have plenty of book covers in completely different styles. Some of these look really great while others not too good, but what I see is that the text is really clear. There are no grammar mistakes or weird distortions, which is common with other AI image generators. What I will do now, I will pick the best covers and give you a little showcase of what Ideogram made for me. So I'm not sure about you, but I really think these ebook covers look great. Of course, if you only need one book cover and that's it, I would probably take my time and design it somewhere in Canva or other software. But if you need multiple ebook covers and you don't have time or skills to design them by yourself, then Ideogram works great for this purpose. So this is it. This is how you can easily generate ebook covers with AI. If you want to use the same prompt I've used, you can access it via Google Docs. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you want to have a ready-made ebook written by professionals which you can use as your own, make sure to check out PLR.me. And with my link in the description, you can get such ebook completely for free, so you don't have to write anything from scratch. So that was it. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.